Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we'll be talking about how to put yourself and your money first in 2023. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to take control of your finances and start building wealth like a millionaire? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing some practical tips and strategies that millionaires use to manage their finances and achieve financial freedom. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget is a crucial step in managing your finances effectively. To start, track your income and expenses for a few months to get a clear picture of your spending habits. Then, categorize your expenses into necessities, such as housing, utilities, and food, and discretionary expenses, such as entertainment and dining out. Once you have a clear understanding of your spending patterns, determine how much you can afford to spend on discretionary items and allocate the rest towards savings, debt repayment, and investment. It's important to stick to your budget by tracking your expenses regularly and adjusting it as needed. You can use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or paper and pencil to help you stay organized and on track. Remember, a budget is not meant to limit your spending, but to help you achieve your financial goals. Start saving. Building a savings habit is critical for financial stability. Start by setting aside money for an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, and make sure to save a portion of your income each month. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your savings account so that you can build your nest egg consistently. To make saving easier, look for ways to cut your expenses and redirect the savings into your emergency fund or other savings accounts. You can also set financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a home or a vacation, to help you stay motivated and on track. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself can have a significant impact on your financial future. Consider taking courses or attending conferences to improve your skills and increase your earning potential. Investing in personal development can also help you stay motivated and improve your overall quality of life. If you have a particular career goal in mind, consider taking classes or obtaining certifications related to your field. Additionally, investing in your health by eating well, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep can improve your productivity and overall well-being. Invest in assets. Investing in assets such as stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or other assets that have the potential to grow in value over time can help you build wealth. Make sure to do your research and seek professional advice to make informed investment decisions. Consider investing in a mix of assets to diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. Keep in mind that investing involves risk, and the value of your investments can go up or down over time. Make sure to understand the risks involved and consult a financial advisor if needed. Minimize debt. Debt can have a significant impact on your finances and limit your ability to achieve your financial goals. Consider paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, first. To minimize debt, make a plan to pay off your debt as quickly as possible and prioritize these payments in your budget. You can also look for ways to reduce your expenses, such as cutting cable or reducing dining out, to help you pay off your debt more quickly. Seek professional advice. Seeking professional financial advice can help you make informed decisions about your finances and reach your financial goals more quickly. Consider working with a financial advisor to help you create a financial plan and make smart investment decisions. Financial advisors can help you assess your current financial situation, identify your goals, and develop a plan to achieve them. They can also help you understand the best investment options for your needs and provide valuable insights and advice. Keep in mind that working with a financial advisor may involve fees, so make sure to understand the costs involved and choose an advisor who aligns with your goals and values. Build a strong credit history. Having a strong credit history can open up a variety of financial opportunities, such as lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. To build a strong credit history, make sure to pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid applying for new credit too frequently. You can also monitor your credit report regularly to ensure accuracy and address any errors promptly. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment and that your bills are paid on time each month. Create a plan for your future. It's important to have a clear idea of your long-term financial goals, such as retirement or buying a home, and create a plan to achieve them. Consider your current financial situation, your goals, and your risk tolerance when developing your plan. You may need to make changes to your budget or investment strategy to align with your goals and ensure that you're on track. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan to help you stay on track and make progress towards your goals over time. Seek out opportunities for additional income. Having multiple sources of income can help you achieve your financial goals more quickly and increase your overall financial stability. Consider seeking out opportunities for additional income, such as starting a side hustle, freelance work, or renting out a room in your home. You can also look for ways to increase your income at your current job, such as taking on additional responsibilities or seeking a promotion. Remember, any additional income you earn can help you achieve your financial goals more quickly and improve your overall financial well-being. Plan for unexpected expenses. Unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills, can throw a wrench in your financial plans and make it difficult to stay on track. To prepare for unexpected expenses, make sure to have an emergency fund with enough money to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Additionally, consider purchasing insurance, such as health insurance, car insurance, and homeowners insurance, to protect against potential losses. Having a plan in place to cover unexpected expenses can give you peace of mind and help you stay on track with your financial goals. And that's a wrap for today's video on putting yourself and your money first in 2023. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, but with the right mindset and strategies, anyone can do it. Start by setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, investing in yourself and your future, and seeking out opportunities for additional income. By following these tips, you can take control of your finances and start living the life you deserve. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.